Hi, Babe and Bob here. Samahan niyo kami sa aming miniserye today, which is yung pag-dismantle sa aming Christmas tree dito sa bahay. Actually guys, mataas tong Christmas tree na to, kaya kailangan talaga namin ng ladder. And this Christmas tree also is kailangan siyang i-separate into 4 pieces para magmukha siyang maliit. So, yan yung first one, second, third, and fourth. And alam nyo ba guys na February na ngayon and ito lang yung perfect time namin natanggalin to kasi nga dumating kami dito 3rd week of February. And then, nag-focus ako sa aking naturalization interview. So, today lang yung perfect timing na pwede namin to siyang tanggalin kasi medyo hindi na busy and this is one of our in our task list na kailangan tong ma-remove ang Christmas decoration bago mag-March. So, ayan na nga guys, the third and fourth part is nahihirapan kaming tanggalin. I don't know why, pero ano talaga siya, yung gahi yun siya, di siya matanggal. So, we tried everything. So, now, nagplan may nga, siguro ato ning ihigda para basin makayag bira-bira and still wag gihapon siya nag-work. So I was trying by myself, wag gihapon siya nag-work and here I am gisapot na unya si Bob nangita gihapon siya way para ma-remove siya kay gisapot na jud ko ana try bira-bira. And here you go, finally naibot ra gyud siya and I'm happy about it. Oh my god.